Okay, we have third problem here. Draw BMD for fixed beam with concentrated load acting at the center of the beam. Okay, so fixed beam and there is concentrated load. So value is unknown, so we can say W, and we can name the span as L and this as L by 2, okay, and B and A. We have direct formula here. Okay, what is asked to do? Draw BMD. So if you want to draw BMD, first of all, from this formula, okay, from case 1, we know the value is MF AB is minus WL by 8. Okay, this WL by 8, and MFBA is plus WL by 8. So how to draw this diagram? Okay, first of all, I will draw this in parts, okay, to make it more simpler. Only because of fixity, okay, this is equal to, only because of fixity we have MFAB and MFBA at the other end, okay, plus, let us make it simple, okay, simply supported condition with W, we have simply supported beam with W. Okay, now in this, as I said, the deflection diagram would be like this. Okay, this is hogging, deflected shape, okay, deflected curve, and this would be sagging, deflected shape. Okay, now because of this fixity we have this bending moment, so let us draw this. Tries to hogging, so this is negative and this value is WL by 8 and WL by 8. Okay, this is BMD for fixity. What happens when this is a case, a simply supported beam without fixity, that is simply supported beam, when there is W? Okay, so bending moment maximum, this is fixed end moments, okay, and this is positive bending moment, okay, is W by WL by 4. So we have W value, so we don't have any value, so this is WL by 4 positive. So what we can do is, we can draw this, we have already revised for the simply supported case, and this being sagging, this will be positive, this is WL by 4. Okay, now what is fixed beam? The given beam is this, with the loading and with the fixity condition, what will be the bending moment diagram? You have to just superimpose this over this and you will get the final bending moment diagram. So this is minus, this is minus, this is plus, so this is combined BMD. This is your final BMD. This is BMD for simply supported case. Okay. This is the diagram which is required, so we can write the value WL by 8 minus WL by 8 and this is WL by 4. This completes your calculation, and this is the moment for which we design the beam, which you are going to learn in your design of structures RCC covered by Austin sir.